Hello, All Stars. Today is Friday, March the 11th. Let's find out what's on our number corner calendar. If we look at our calendar, we've been talking about telling time using analog and digital clocks. The last time we checked, we had a clock 2 days ago that said 5 o'clock, and yesterday it moved to 6 o'clock. So 1 hour of time, or 60 minutes, had passed by. Let's find out what's on today's card. Whoa, it moved from 6 to 6:30. 6:30. So 30 minutes of time has gone by from yesterday's card to today's card. What we're going to do next is add on another day in school. Whoa, we've made it to the 115th day of school. 115th day of school. Nice. 115 days. And we'll add some things over here to represent 115. 115 here. We'll change it to 115 here. 100 plus 15 and 50 plus 50 plus 15 equals 150. We'll add on another cube to make 115, and we're all set with that. What we will do now, it's a Friday, and do you know what that means? We get to spin our spinner, but we also get to count our coins for the week. Yes! What will we find when we count those coins after we add on our last spinner amount? Here we go. Oh, that's a close one. I have to zoom in more. Find out, where did it land exactly? What did it land on? Oh my goodness, it really is on the line. That means we'll have to do it again. 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll add 4 pennies to our collection. 1, 2, 3, 4. The back side of these pennies. Here we go. Now, it's our second week of counting coins, so we have to count. Remember, every dime is counting by tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 cents here. We have a nickel. Nickels are worth 5. So that's 50 plus 5, 55. And then all of these pennies we're going to add on to it. So we have 55, and we'll keep counting. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So every time we add a penny, we're adding on one more. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65 cents this week. Wow. So we get to add that to it. Week 2, 65 cents. Wow. Very cool. What I'd like to do for the last part of our time together is this. I need you to open up your math books, the math book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes, and we're going to work on this activity together. So pause the video if you need to go grab your book. You're going to find the book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes and turn it to page 42. Page 42. On page 42, we have a job to do. On page 42, now that you have it, we are going to look at the time on the digital clock and match it to the time, that same time that's on an analog clock. So it's a matching activity. Page 42 in our book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. So here we go. It says school starts at 8:30. School starts at 8:30. I'll make it bigger so you can see that. And our job now is to find a clock, an analog clock that has 8:30 as the time. 8:30. So we have 2:30 here. 8:30. So we can match the time on the digital clock to the time that is on the analog clock. I'll do one more with you. This way. We have 9 o'clock. Can you see that? 9 o'clock on the digital clock. And we match it to the time on the analog clock. 9 o'clock here, and we have to find a analog clock that says 9 o'clock. That says, it's pointing to the 11, so that's 11 o'clock. This one is in between the 3 and 4, 3:30. 9 o'clock. There's another clock that matches it, so we draw the line there. It says writing time is at 11 o'clock. Didn't we just find a clock that had 11 o'clock? And what we're going to do is match it up, and you can continue to match these for the rest of the time. Off you go. You can do it. I believe in you.